There is one specialized scraping tool that is used frequently in wood turning, and that's the parting tool. What the parting tool is used for is to separate work or to actually go down and size work. This is what's referred to as a diamond parting tool. Both sides, the angles, are ground at approximately 25 degrees, and for the diamond shape, you'll see that the center portion of the tool is wider than the top or the bottom. What this does is allow relief as you're cutting deeply into the wood. That's the only area that's going to be rubbing on a wood, and that's the only area that's going to generate heat, and this will allow you to get in much deeper. One of the modifications on the grind on this tool is that instead of both sides being equal, this side is a little bit longer, which allows for chips to be cleared a lot easier and a lot cleaner.